The biggest mistake first-time backpackers make isn't gear, it's mileage. For your first overnight trip, you need to slash your normal day hiking distance by at least 30%. Backpacking is not just walking with a heavy bag. It is a logistics game. Your body moves slower and burns more energy than on a day hike. If you comfortably hike 10 miles unloaded, aim for 7 miles max with a full pack. Your comfort relies on your base weight, the weight of your pack minus food, water, and fuel. To keep this manageable, focus your budget on the big three: your backpack, shelter, and sleep system. When choosing a sleep system, temperature rating isn't enough. You must check the R value of your sleeping pad. A warm sleeping bag on a cold, uninsulated pad will still leave you freezing because the ground saps heat faster than air. For food, stop thinking about fresh meals and start thinking about caloric density. Water is heavy, so dried food is king. Your target is simple. Any food you carry should provide at least 100 calories per ounce of weight. Water logistics are critical. 1 liter weighs 2.2 pounds. Beginners often carry too much water out of fear. Instead of hauling 4 liters, carry 1 to 2 liters and plan your refill points using a reliable map app like FarOut or Gaia GPS. Campsite selection is your next priority. Don't just look for flat ground. Look for LNT durable surfaces at least 200 feet from water sources to avoid condensation issues and protect wildlife access. Before you step on the trail, identify your bailout points. These are intersections with roads or shorter trails where you can exit early if an injury occurs or a thunderstorm rolls in. Never lock yourself into a route with no escape. A specific note on safety: check local regulations regarding food storage. In bear country, a bear canister isn't optional, it's mandatory. Even where bears aren't present, rodents will chew through your expensive tent to get a Snickers bar. Finally, the most important step: the shakedown hike. Fully load your pack and do a short overnight trip close to home. Test your stove, set up your tent in the dark, and feel the weight. Fix problems now, not when you are 20 miles into the wilderness. For your very first trip, pick a well-traveled loop trail with reliable water and cell service. Success is about building confidence, not conquering the wildest peak on day one. Plan short, pack light, and test your gear first.